Welcome to the Detox Institute. Today, we're focusing on how to restore health to your scalp and hair through a detox hair treatment. Let's dive in. Do you suffer from hair or scalp issues? You're not alone. Many of us face challenges with our hair and scalp health, whether it's due to environmental factors, product buildup, or just the stresses of daily life. But don't worry, we've got you covered, and you'd be surprised at how easy it can all be achieved. Let's explore 5 steps to detox your hair and scalp, ensuring they are both nourished and healthy. The first one, use a clarifying shampoo. Removes product buildup, dirt, and oil, and prepares your hair for deeper treatments. Apply once a week, but avoid overuse as it can strip your hair of natural oils, leading to dryness. Exfoliate your scalp. It removes dead skin cells and promotes blood circulation, which helps in hair growth and maintaining scalp health. Apply a nourishing hair mask. It deeply hydrates and nourishes your hair, restoring its natural shine and strength. Ingredients like avocado, honey, and coconut oil are highly beneficial. Apply once a week, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Use an apple cider vinegar rinse. It balances the pH of your scalp, removes residue, and adds natural shine to your hair. Just mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and use it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning. Lastly, but perhaps the most important, maintain a healthy diet. Include foods high in biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Incorporate foods like nuts, seeds, fish, leafy greens, and berries into your daily diet. Detoxifying your scalp and hair is an essential step towards achieving and maintaining healthy, beautiful hair. Incorporate these steps into your routine to see significant improvements. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the Detox Institute for more tips on maintaining a healthy, toxin-free life. See you next time.
This educational video is brought to you by Lemonkind Superfoods, functional beverages designed to jumpstart your body and help you reach your health goals.